the grunt works for you, saving you time and giving you infinite possibilities.
This car is a 2025 Tacoma base model without KDSS. Unlike my 2019 4Runner TRD off-road, so I thought it needed some upgrades. Installing spacers will make your car look cool, but that's not the only reason to install spacers. Installing spacers will have several other benefits. Installing wheel spacers increases the track width of a truck, which is the distance between the left and right wheels on the same axle.
Camera quality on this phone looks really nice.
By pushing the wheels further away from the center of the vehicle, spacers increase the lever arm, the distance between the wheel and the suspension pivot point, where the control arms or suspension components rotate. When a wheel hits a bump or obstacle, it moves upward, and that motion causes the suspension to rotate. A longer lever arm means that for the same bump height, the suspension rotates through a smaller angle called angular deflection, which leads to less vertical movement of the truck's body. This reduces how hard the bump feels in the cabin.
50 to 100 miles of driving.
Additionally, widening the stance increases the truck's moment of inertia, its resistance to rotational movement, which helps reduce body roll, the side-to-side tilting of the vehicle, during uneven terrains or turns. Because the wheels are spread farther apart, bumps that only affect one side of the truck have less impact overall, improving ride comfort and stability. These effects happen due to basic mechanical principles. A wider base distributes force more evenly and gives the suspension more mechanical advantage to absorb shocks gradually. You can refer to the picture that Dad drew at the end of this movie. Many people might be surprised if I could feel these results directly while driving, but it is true, and this is what I can do for my son with a small amount of money, and it makes me happy.
For real eyes, it's a